How to unlock an iPhone contacting your carrier. This video teaches you how to remove a carrier's SIM restrictions on an iPhone, which will allow you to use other carriers' SIM cards in your iPhone. Step 1. Consider whether or not you qualify for free unlocking. For example, if you are a member of the armed forces and are soon traveling overseas, carriers must unlock your phone on request. Be sure to check with your carrier about any other specific circumstances you have. Step 2. Gather the information your carrier will need to unlock your iPhone. This information includes the following. Account information. Typically, this comprises your first and last name, phone number, and a PIN, or your social security number. IMEI number. Your iPhone's IMEI number is an identifying tag found next to the IMEI heading in the About section of the General page, which you'll find near the top of the Settings app. Other information. Your carrier may request details on your current plan, how long you've had your iPhone, and how much you paid off if you're on a contract. Even though carriers typically have access to this kind of information, it's a good idea to have it on hand just in case. If you're in the military, you'll need to bring your deployment papers. Step 3. Call or visit a carrier location and ask them to unlock your phone. Ultimately, the decision is up to them. However, if you meet the proper requirements for carrier unlocking as outlined in your carrier's policy, you can usually get your phone unlocked. Verizon. Most Verizon phones come unlocked to begin with. Call or visit your local Verizon store to make sure your iPhone can support your preferred network. Sprint will unlock your phone if it has been active on the Sprint network for at least 50 days, you have fulfilled the conditions of your lease or purchase, the phone isn't locked by law enforcement or flagged for criminal activity, and you haven't missed any payments. AT&T will unlock your phone if it is designed for and used on the AT&T network at the time of the call and not flagged for criminal activity. You also need to have paid any early termination fees or contractual obligations. Step 4. Provide your carrier with any information they require. If you have the necessary information and your carrier is contractually allowed to unlock your phone, they will do so. After your carrier unlocks your phone, you'll need to visit a different carrier whom you'd like to use and purchase a SIM card from them. To use another carrier's network on your iPhone, simply insert that carrier's SIM card into your iPhone. The carrier must first activate the SIM. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.